So we have columns is equal to w comma x comma y comma z. Let's say this is the column and these are having some 4 columns, let's say. Okay, then we have an index. Let's say we have an index and we are having a comma b, okay, comma c comma d comma e. Okay, these are having 5 rows. Okay, so let me write it here. It's 5 rows and we are having the 4 columns. Okay, these are 5 rows and we are having the 4 columns here. Okay, 4 columns. So basically these are the columns and index. Now let's import some of the functionality of NumPy, which is from NumPy dot random. Okay, import rand int. Remember we implemented rand int in some few of the lectures before. So this is the same thing we are going to implement. Let's say we are having a data. Let's have some data which is having some random integers. Okay, random integers, that means rand int between -100, okay, 200, and in the shape of 5 comma 4. Okay, in the shape of 5 comma 4. So we are having the some random integers between -100 and 100 in the shape of 5 comma 4, and then let's say we have a data here. Okay, so data is having these many values right now, and this is the values that we have. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's because your output would be much different the output that I am getting in my data variable. So let's keep it the same. Remember we talked about random dot seed. So let's import that and let's put the seed as 42. Let's put the seed as 42. Make sure you put this seed as same as mine, and then we have a data is equal to rand int, and let's do the same thing, -100 to 100, and let's give a shape of 5 comma 4. Now we have the same output as me. Okay, so let's check the data how it looks like. Now we are having the same data as me, which is 279 -8 and 86 and everything. Okay, so now let's create a data frame. Okay, now let's create a data frame. So usually what we do is whenever we name a variable for a data frame, we type df. Usually we do this. So, okay, so let's type df is equal to pd.dataframe, pd.dataframe, and let's see, and now see the argument that it expects you to give, which is data index. Okay, data index and also columns it looks for, and everything is same. Okay, everything is you can give optional, but you know you have to give data index and columns. What is the data that you're going to store it, what is the columns that you're going to store it. Okay, so data is equal to data, this one is the parameter and this is the value, which is this one. Okay, and but that means the numbers between, that means this whole data is going to store in the data frame. And now we'll have some index value, index that which is equal to index. Okay, this index is the parameter and this is the value, and this index represents to this one, this index is just a b c d e. Okay, and after that we are going to have columns. So we'll say columns is equal to columns. Okay, we have to give columns here. So now let's run this code. Okay, let's check the data frame how it looks like. Now we have a data frame in nicely formatted data frame. Okay, now it in a very nice way. We have column w x y z, we have rows a b c d e. Okay, now we have very nicely formatted data frame. Now how to select an index here, how to select an index. Okay, let me type here how to select index. So we have a df, and let's say we are having a index as a column as w. If we grab that, it is going to give you the column and the rows that we have. That means the whole column it is going to present you 2 6 12 16 30, 2 6 12 16 30. So whatever this is the label we have. We can say the label or we can say column, and this column is present whenever you grab a column on a basis of data frame, it is going to give you all the values related to that. Okay, so in the same way you can do that for any of it. Now if you look it closely to this column, as you can see, does it look like a series here? Let's check that. Okay, let's check that type. Let's check a type of it. And now if we run the code, it is saying pandas.co.series. That means this is the series. That means each and every column of the data frame is a series. Each and every column of a data frame is a series. Okay, so you know, this is a whole series. This is also a series which is xa, xb, xc, xd. Each and every column is nothing but just a series, and data frame are the multiple series on a common labeled index. Okay, so remember, this is a very important thing you need to know, and you know, just don't ignore this one. And if I'll say type of df, it is going to give us the type as data frame. Okay,